Hey everyone, are you ready to take on Japan? If you've got 3 days to explore Japan, prepare for an adventure packed with culture, delicious food, and stunning landscapes. I'm here to guide you through an epic itinerary that makes every minute count. Ready? Let's dive in. Day 1. Start in Tokyo, the heart of modern Japan. I recommend getting an early start at the Meiji Shrine, a peaceful place right in the middle of the bustling city. Then take a quick walk to Harajuku for some quirky shopping and maybe snag yourself a colorful snack. Crepes, anyone? By afternoon, let's zoom over to Shibuya to experience the famous Scramble Crossing. It's like nowhere else on Earth, and you can't miss the Hachiko statue, a tribute to Japan's most loyal dog. As the sun starts to set, head up to the observation deck in Shibuya Sky to catch a breathtaking view of the city lighting up. Day 2, we're off to Kyoto, the cultural gem of Japan. Start your day at Fushimi Inari Shrine with its iconic thousands of red torii gates. It's not just beautiful, it's a pathway to another world. Spend a couple of hours wandering through, and trust me, your Instagram will thank you. Next, take a relaxing stroll through the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. Walking through these towering bamboo is like stepping into a serene green wonderland. And if you have time, swing by the nearby Kinkakuji, the famous golden pavilion. By evening, explore Gion, the city's famous geisha district. You might even spot a geisha on her way to an engagement. Day 3, it's time to explore Osaka, Japan's kitchen. Start with Osaka Castle, a stunning example of traditional architecture surrounded by cherry blossoms if you're here in the spring, and you cannot visit Osaka without diving into its food scene. Head to Dotonbori and try everything from takoyaki to okonomiyaki. It's a feast for the senses. As the day winds down, take a laid-back river cruise on the Dotonbori River. It's the perfect way to take in the city vibes and reflect on your amazing 3-day journey through Japan. There you have it, folks. A jam-packed 3 days full of unforgettable experiences in Japan. Remember, this is just a starting point. Japan has so much to offer. Every trip can be a new adventure. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more travel tips. Safe travels, and see you next time.